So in this video, we are going to talk about how to generate qualified leads for your tree removal business. Okay, so let's get started. First step is we are going to find the right keywords for your campaign. Okay, so what I have done, so you don't have to do all the process. I'm going to put this document in the description where you can find this document, and I have created, everything for you guys, like what campaign we are going to run, what ad group we are going to use, what keywords we are going to put in there, what headlines we have to use, what description we are going to use. But I'll quickly show you that how to find these keywords. Okay, so first campaign that we are going to run is emergency tree removal, because this is the campaign where you're going to get maximum number of leads, because if tree falls, people wants to have emergency services. But if you don't provide the tree removal services for the emergency, you don't have to run this campaign. Okay, so I'll just take one keyword, go to keywords planner. I'm going to search for this keyword. Now for every different area, your keywords can be different slightly, but most of the time it will be same. Okay, so I'm targeting the Pittsburgh area. If you are in the Seattle or something, you can go for Seattle, or remove the Pittsburgh. And okay, yeah, so now the ad group is tree removal, so only focus on emergency tree removal keywords. Okay, so I'm gonna search for, okay, this is the first keyword. See, emergency tree removal. Don't go for the cost keyword, never go for the cost keyword. Okay, 24 hours tree service, you can choose this. 24-hour tree service near me, emergency tree removal service, emergency tree removal, emergency tree branch removal, 24 hours tree removal, emergency tree limb removal, emergency fallen tree removal, 24 hours emergency tree removal. I think you can remove those keywords, like who are looking just for tree service, not for removal. Just specifically look for tree removal keywords. Okay, 24 hours tree removal service, emergency branch removal, you can use it, but I would suggest tree removal only, 24-hour tree removal, because you will find the enough keywords. Okay, at least look for keywords who have at least 10 to 100. Yeah, you can choose maybe one or two who have less volume, but okay, we already got our 10 keywords. Just copy them, and paste it here. You can also use these keywords because these are already emergency tree removal keywords that I put. See, tree removal, tree services you can remove, emergency tree services, because we only want to focus on tree removal, specifically tree removal, emergency tree removal. Okay, now once you're done with the finding the keywords, I've already created the headlines for you. Yeah, you can use exactly these headlines. Let me also put this. Okay, yeah, you can use exactly these headlines, exactly this description to run your campaign. The second campaign we are going to have, it's for standard tree removal, and budget we are going to put, let's suppose you have daily budget of $100, then $40 to $50 is going for this main emergency campaign, then $20 to $30 are going to for standard tree removal. Okay, now the second campaign we are going for standard tree removal, budget suggested is 25 to 30% of your total budget. Okay, so I'm just going to copy any keyword, tree service keyword. Now in this you can put tree removal and tree service related keywords. Okay, also what you can do, you can create two separate ad groups. One is for tree service and second for tree removal. I prefer to have both of them in single. Tree service, tree removal, not tree trimming. Don't choose for tree trimming, is totally different. Just focus on tree service or tree removal. Tree removal, not pruning, tree removal, not trimming, not maintenance. Just specifically look for tree removal companies. Tree removal close to me, lawn care. No, this is tree service close to me, tree trimming near me, tree cutting, not tree, sorry, not tree trimming, tree cutting service near me. Okay, especially for tree removal or tree stump removal. No, stump is going to be a different category. Cheap, never use cheap, cost, these kind of keywords for you. Tree stump removal, yeah, stump removal is fine, you can use this one, or maybe we're gonna put it in different campaign, don't use it here. Yeah, we have found 7 keywords. Let's see if we can find one or two more good keywords. Best tree removal service near me. Okay, we have found that keywords. You're gonna copy and you're gonna use it. You can also use these same keywords also, right? the already we have created the headlines for you. You can use the headlines, you can use these descriptions. Now in this same campaign, which is tree removal, you can also have an ad group with a large tree removal. You will shock to see that people specifically look for these keywords also, right? Large tree removal. Okay, see, 10 to 100 people looking for this. Large tree removal cost. No, don't go for cost. Large tree removal near me. Large tree removal service near me. So you can choose these keywords and put it into the separate ad group. Use these headlines. These are specifically for large tree removal campaigns. Okay. Now the next campaign we are going to create is for stump grinding. Again, I have already created the keywords for you. You are going to use any one or two keywords, put into the keywords planner and see which keywords have more volume in your area. Okay, so accordingly you can have these keywords. Again, have same headlines you can use. Description you already there. I'm going to share this document by the way in the description. You can take it from there. Now fourth campaign is tree trimming and pruning. In ad group 1 we are going to put just tree trimming. Headlines we have, description we have. I've created everything. Now fifth and last campaign is going for branded campaign. So if your business is popular, if your business already get some kind of searches, like your business name is Austin tree removal, if people are searching for those keywords and bidding on your keywords, then you should definitely put 5 to 10% of your marketing budget, so your customers don't go to them. Okay, you can get your customers to yourself. Okay, just simple, put your brand's name is phrase match or maybe an exact match. Now if you don't understand phrase match or what exact match means, I'm going to show you quickly. Go to this tool called keywords wrapper. For the start, you have to use all of your keywords in the phrase match. So basically what phrase match does is show your ads to very related people who are looking for very similar terms. Let's suppose instead of emergency tree removal, someone is looking for tree removal emergency near me, right? So Google is going to show your ads to them. Don't put your keywords as it is, otherwise you are going to get very vague terms and you are going to get clicks, but people are not going to convert. Okay, so just put all your keywords into this, click on wrap, put all the keywords like this with the 2 comma, one at the front and one at the back. Okay, so use your keywords like that. Once your campaign structure is ready, once your ad groups are ready, now the next step is to find out what types of landing page works best for you. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some of the ideas for the landing page. Okay, so this is one of the landing page that I found, and these kind of landing page works really well. And I'm also going to show you what mistake you don't need to make on the landing page. Okay, this is like really good kind of landing page. So for the tree removal, you have the tree removal headline, tree removal, everything is about the tree removal on this page. Google star reviews, also the certification, how tree removal service works, everything is there, right? Why customers choose us, included with every removal. Okay, so this is about the tree removal. Now when you have to run the ads for tree trimming, you have to use a separate page. Don't send your traffic to only one page. Based on the what type of campaign, what types of keywords we are choosing, you should use that kind of landing page. Let's suppose you want to run a campaign for tree pruning, use pruning landing page, use pruning keywords, use pruning related headlines. Keep the relevancy between all these three things, then only your campaign is going to perform really well. Okay, shrimp grinding, again use a page related to shrimp grinding. Don't use a tree removal, tree trimming page here. Okay, now again, when you on the page, you should have two kind of button. One is to book a free consultation. Once people click on it, either you should be able to give them a call, or you can able to fill up a form and they'll call you back. Second option is, if you are especially in the mobile, I'll show you quickly. In the mobile, you should have option to click you directly via call. If you click on this, see, people are able to call this. But what I prefer is, instead of there, just highlight your number in a bigger here, or maybe you put your number here so people just can click or directly call you, or put your number at the bottom. Just make sure it's easier for the customers to call you. This is only going change I'm going to recommend to this page. Other than this, okay, see, if I go to this page, they only have the call option, message option, but they don't have the form option. If I go somewhere maybe at the below. Okay, yeah, they have the option here, but all the way I have to, go at the bottom to fill up a form. So instead of this, what if you want to use a pager like this, they have the button, but instead of this, you should have a book a free consultation. Once someone click on it, it should immediately come on the, where's the form? Yeah, at the form, schedule your free service, right? Make this process very easy for your customers, because people are not tech savvy every time, so we need to make sure they reach out to you very easily. Maybe just give them an option to click here to call, book your free consultation service. Put very simple terms. Okay, now once we have the landing page, let's create our first campaign. We are going to go to the Google dashboard, click new campaign, and once you have this doc prepared, it will be very easy for you. Just follow the step-by-step process. Go to leads. Okay, now you have to make sure your conversion goals are set up. Submit, which is submit lead form. You can also add call tracking if you are want to optimize your campaign for call tracking. I prefer both. Search campaign, always choose search campaign. Website visit, you have to put your website. For now, I'm going to put this website here to show you how it works, guys. Okay, let me put the right. We are going to create emergency tree services campaign. I want to make sure we put the right. Okay, let's go for tree removal. Okay, this is very simple campaign that I'm going to show you. Okay, if you want to run campaign or phone calls, you have to just put your number. Okay, campaign name, I just want to put my name, what type of campaign it is, what product we are promoting. In this case it's tree removal, or if you want to put for tree emergency removal, but make sure you have tree emergency tree removal page. Let's go for tree removal for now. It's going to be the same. And what area you target? In this case, let's target Seattle. Okay, continue. Okay, now just follow the exact step-by-step process. If your Google Ads account is new, just choose the conversion option. Don't go for set target CPA. When your campaign have, or maybe account has some kind of conversion and Google have some data, then you can go for target CPA. Okay, for now just go for conversion. Click on next. Make sure you unselect them, because we don't want to show our ads to search partner or Google display partner. They are going to get you the trash clicks. For the location option, we only need to select for people present in your target area. Click another location, go for advanced search, click Seattle. If in any particular area, if you only offer some county services, then click here and choose those area. Okay, you can also put your maybe radius. You can also put, let's suppose, place name in Seattle. Okay, I'll just show you how it works. Okay, if you wanna, okay, let me put postcode from here, 98039. Okay, I'll just put this pin code. Okay, I'm gonna remove everything else. Okay, now what is going to show 20 miles around the Seattle, this area. Okay, if your radius is in km, you wanna go for km, you can do like this. Okay, save this. Choose the language which your customer speaks. In this case, it will going to be English. Select no. Don't put anything here. Go to next. Go to next. Skip. We have created our own keywords, own headlines. Just use them. Don't use any AI generated headlines and keywords by Google. I have given you everything. Just use them exactly step by step to get the results. Okay. For the ad group, we are going to name is tree removal. Also, if you are low on budget, you can put tree removal and emergency tree removal in the one campaign, but in the different ad group. Don't mix the keywords. Okay. Okay, now let's go to normal tree removal. Okay, these are the keywords we have figured out. What I'm going to do, go to this tool again, paste them here, wrap, copy all the keywords from here which are in the phrase, then gonna put here. Okay, Now when it comes to display, I'm just gonna put my keyword tree removal. Okay, don't have to do anything else. Now for the headline, uh, just copy them. Google is also going to suggest you some headline based on what area you are targeting, you know, and what landing page you have shared. It's also going to share some free ideas. If you like them, you can use them, but I would prefer to stick with these headlines if you want to get really good conversions on your ads. Okay, put it like that. Remove large D's. Okay, local tea experts. Just use this exact same headlines. Okay, same for the description. Okay, once you verify your business with this Google account, you can also able to put your business name. Like let's see if you are getting this just your site, not your business name. What you have to do, you have to verify this account with the Google with the number, and you'll be able to get your name here, right? Do it. It makes more authority, right? Remove this membership plan. Yeah, put these two site links, which is fine. This is going to create by Google itself. Sometimes if you don't, just create plus put your site link text. Like let's suppose if you want to offer other services also with this strum grinding. Oh, we already have strum grinding there. Okay, tree trimming. I think we have tree trimming also, but I'll just give an idea what you need to do. Put your tree service name here, right? It's going to basically it's going to show here at the bottom. Let's suppose someone is looking for tree removal. If they say okay, I need tree trimming also, okay, they're just gonna click land on the website and optimize for it, fill up the form, put your URL here, and you'll be able to create a site link. Okay, now for the this callouts, don't use them. I'm only going to use a number. If you want to get more calls, click here, select the number, whatever select number you have. So what's it's going to happen, it's going to show your number here, at the bottom, so people can directly call also. Your ads is going to show like this. Make sure you have the same number. It's showing different number because this is the number from this account, but make sure you have the same number here. Okay, so select this, apply this. Let me put the same number here. Okay, so you don't get confused. So this is taking number from the landing page. But make sure all the number, whatever number you're promoting, it should be on the landing page. Okay, so see, it's showing you the same number now. You can directly call here. Now, next step is save this, click on next. Okay, now for the budget, what I recommend is, let's see what CPC you are targeting here. Tree removal near me. Okay, so for the CPC, let's suppose you are getting $14 CPC here, anywhere between $14 to 42. Do it 5 times 70 and keep your budget at least around that. It shows $52, but what I suggest is keep it around 5 times of your CPC. This is what I start with, so you can get at least one conversion a day. Initially Google is also going to test some audience, so keep it that way. Okay, now it has increased, but usually put it 5 times of your CPC. Initially it can be higher the cost per conversion, but don't worry about that. With time and with the optimization, your conversion cost is going to come down. Okay, now go to verify the account. Okay, it's checking for the error. It usually take few seconds and sometimes minutes. Let it just verify everything. Basically Google is saying that okay, now we are ready to launch our campaign. So basically here Google is saying that you have to use a lead form by Google, so don't use it. We are only going to use our website for the calls and for the collecting leads. We don't worry about this issue. Just click publish, and it's going to be published soon. Okay, now the campaign is published. Okay, so what you need to do, the campaign will start delivering soon, or all you need to do is basically come here, go to ad groups, select. Okay, now what you can do is create another ad group with large tree removal keywords. Remember, I shared a sheet with you which also has the large removal keywords. Let me show you again. So basically, it's going to be attached below this video, so you can have it from the discussion. Okay, yeah, see large tree removal. So you can create another ad group with large tree removal. Also, you can create another ad group with the name of emergency tree removal. All you need to do is just go to next, put all your keywords here, and then create headlines and choose the headlines. It's already filled up there from the previous ads, but you can remove the normal tree and put 24/7 or 24 hours tree removal service, emergency tree removal services. Okay. Now, similar to that, we are going to create other campaigns. Like second campaign is going to be for tree remove. For sorry, yeah. Second, another campaign is going to be for stump grinding and removal. Then another campaign is going to be for tree trimming and pruning. So similarly, you can create different campaigns. Don't put all your keywords in one campaign. Different keywords, different headlines, and use different landing pages. I've already showed you that use different pages for the different types of campaigns. Okay. So hope you like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'm going to put more videos on how to generate leads with Google Ads for your local businesses. So give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want me to launch your Google Ads, there is a link below in the description where you can book a free consultation call with me. On the call, I'm going to understand where are you, how you are marketing your services. If I think we are good fit to work with each other, we are going to start working together, right? And also, if you are already running Google Ads and not getting the desired results that you want, hit me up. I'll look into your account and see how we can improve the performance of your account and make sure your Google Ads is profitable. Thank you.